Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the units. Degrees versus radians changes the arithmetic. Next, bring the angle into the principal cycle. Subtract or add full turns until it lies between 0 degrees and 360 degrees, or 0 and 2 pi. Once done, find which quadrant contains the terminal side, quadrant I through Roman 4, because that tells you whether to subtract from an axis angle or not. Make sure to do these steps in order. They set up the actual. Now compute the reference angle based on the quadrant. If you are in quadrant I, the reference equals the angle. Simple. In quadrant Roman 2, subtract the angle from 180 degrees, or pi minus theta, because the angle is measured from the positive x-axis toward the axis at 180 degrees. Once in quadrant Roman 3, subtract 180 degrees to measure back to the x-axis. In quadrant Roman 4, subtract the angle from 360 degrees. These adjustments ensure you finish by writing the reference angle in the same units you started with. Do not mix degrees and radians. For angles on the axes, the reference is 0. Note these exceptions early. If your value seems wrong, draw a small unit circle sketch and mark the terminal side. Visual verification catches sign errors and quadrant mistakes fast. Make sure to re-evaluate reduction to the principal cycle if the sketch disagrees. That usually fixes calculation oversights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.